The future just sent a shockwave through the tech industry. It's March 2026, and the wait is finally over. For years, the original Apple Studio display sat as the safe choice. Beautiful, but slightly outdated with its 60Hz panel and aging webcam. That era has officially ended. Today, we are witnessing the birth of the Apple Studio Display 2, and its even more powerful sibling, the Studio Display XDR. This isn't just a monitor. It is the ultimate centerpiece of the modern professional workspace. Apple hasn't just updated the specs, they have redesigned what it means to actually see your work. If you are a creator, a coder, or a professional in the USA looking to finalize your dream setup, you need to stop. Do not buy a single piece of gear until you hear what Apple has done with this second-generation masterpiece. The first thing we have to address is the promotion barrier that has finally been shattered. For years, the biggest complaint against the original Studio Display was the lack of a high refresh rate. In a world where your iPhone, your iPad, and your MacBook Pro all move at a fluid 120 Hz, sitting down at a 60 Hz monitor felt like stepping back in time. But the 2026 lineup has changed the game. While the standard Studio Display 2 remains an accessible masterpiece, the new Studio Display XDR introduces a 27-inch 5K mini LED panel with full 120 Hz promotion support. This changes everything. Every window you drag, every line of code you scroll through, and every frame of video you edit will now move with a surgical precision that has been missing from the desktop. It makes the digital world feel physical, responsive, and incredibly fast. But Apple didn't stop at refresh rates. They've tackled the biggest hardware challenge in the office: lighting and contrast. The Studio Display XDR isn't just a monitor, it's a light engine. We are talking about 2000 nits of peak HDR brightness. Think about that for a second. That is nearly 4 times the brightness of the previous generation. This is paired with a mini LED backlight system featuring over 2,000 local dimming zones. The result? Inky, deep blacks that rival OLED, but with the searing brightness needed for true HDR workflows. Whether you are grading a cinematic masterpiece in a sun-drenched studio in California or working on high-stakes architectural renders in a bright New York office, this screen will hold its ground. It's no longer just about Retina resolution, it's about visual dominance. Now, let's talk about the brain inside the glass. Most monitors are dumb devices, but the Studio Display 2 is powered by the A19 chip. Why put a state-of-the-art smartphone chip in a monitor? Because of the 3 pillars: audio, video, and intelligence. Let's start with the video. The webcam has been the subject of countless memes, but Apple has finally silenced the critics. The 2026 lineup features a new 12-megapixel center stage camera with a much larger aperture. Combined with the A19's computational power, it doesn't just track you. It understands the lighting in your room and compensates in real time. You won't just look good on your next Zoom call. You will look like you're on a professional broadcast set. And for the first time, Desk View is integrated natively with zero latency, making it the ultimate tool for teachers and designers who need to show their hands while they speak. The audio system has also seen a massive overhaul. Apple says the new models offer 30% deeper bass than the previous generation. The 6-speaker system now features refined force-canceling woofers that provide a low-end